In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly send money using Zelle through the Huntington mobile app. This is a really convenient way to transfer funds, as it can save you time and effort. Let's get started. First, we'll approach the initial step, which involves accessing Zelle within your Huntington mobile app. Begin by opening the app, and once you're there, you'll want to tap on Payments. After doing that, look for the option to Enroll. This is essential because it sets up your profile for using Zelle. When prompted, you'll have a choice to pick the contact method you'd like to associate with your Zelle account. This can either be an email address or a US-based mobile phone number. Choose one that you regularly use and have easy access to, as this will be the way through which you'll send and receive money. Once enrollment is complete, you're all set to start using Zelle. Now let's move on to the process of sending money. It's crucial that you pick a trusted recipient, and there are several ways to do this. You can scan their Zelle QR code if they've provided one, which is a really quick and safe way to ensure you're sending money to the correct person. Alternatively, you can enter their email address or a US-based mobile phone number. It's important to verify that the recipient is enrolled with Zelle through their own financial institution. This step is vital because if the recipient isn't enrolled, they won't be able to receive your transfer. Once you've pinpointed your recipient, it's time to send the money. Enter the desired amount you wish to transfer. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details. This includes double-checking the recipient's information and the amount entered, as you want to avoid any room for mistakes. When all looks good, simply hit the send button. It's as easy as that. In many cases, the money should be available to your recipient within minutes. It's comforting to know that behind the scenes, both your account information and that of the recipient are kept private and secure. While this video focuses on sending money, there are more features to explore with Zelle, like requesting payments, which you can learn about in the frequently asked questions section associated with your Zelle service. This tool makes managing your funds convenient, whether you're splitting dinner with friends or paying your share of the monthly rent. And there you have it. A quick, efficient way to send money using Zelle through the Huntington mobile app. Now you can carry out such transactions with confidence and ease, knowing that it's as simple as a few taps on your phone. Thanks for tuning in, and happy transfer.